guys, I am super excited to review for you today this neck massager from Hugterra. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, demoing it for you, and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this massager would be right for you. P.S. This review is sponsored, but my neck does seriously have issues, and this is an authentic, honest review of my opinions of this device. So first off, here is a nice close look at the massager. It's a very high quality, dense material. I appreciate how compact and portable it is as well. It has a wireless design. Right here is our control panel and also where you will charge it. That's the port. USB-C cable is included. And because it can be a little bit tricky to press the buttons while you're lying down on it, it does also include a remote control to make it super convenient to adjust as you see fit. Now, I will be laying down on it, but I want to first show you exactly what is happening here and talk about all the different things that this device does. So right here in the middle, that's going to be the power button. You're going to press and hold for about 3 seconds and that will turn on the device. And there are 4 different things that this massager is designed to do. For one, as long as you're laying down correctly on it, it will help to stretch, decompressing the spine, also helping with disc herniation because at this perfect 26-degree angle, stretching comes very naturally. Now the other 3 features are the ones that you will control right here on this panel. You'll see we have got 3 different bars here, and you can move through each of those bars by short pressing on the middle button. Now that first bar is going to control the EMS, or the electric muscle stimulation. This sends small electrical pulses into the neck via these nodes. So basically you're on that bar and we have got our plus and minus buttons. So pressing the plus button, you'll be able to go up on those EMS levels. You've got 6 different intensities in total. I will say, by the way, EMS, definitely a little bit of a weird feeling if you're not used to it, but it's definitely great too. Feels like your muscles are contracting and relaxing all by themselves. But depending on your body, definitely pick the right level. I think it is smart to start with level 1, work your way up as you become more comfortable. Because trust me, number 6, quite strong. Now basically this technology mimics exercise, making our muscles act like pumps and naturally pumping more blood to the neck area. It also provides pain relief through stimulating the release of endorphins, essentially your body's natural painkiller. And now what is super cool, as you will see when pressing again that middle button to go through the different modes, we're still at level 1 on EMS. You can combine these different modes. You can go with just one mode. I appreciate the super independent control you have there. Second mode is going to be our heating, of which you have 3 different levels to choose from. This helps the neck muscles relax, boosts the blood flow, and I found that it does a great job at helping to alleviate pain. And finally, our vibration massage modes. We've got 3 levels of massage there. Now, when combined with heating, stretching, and EMS, it can relieve inflammation and just overall accelerates the neck healing process. And when you're done using the device, you'll come back to that same power button, press and hold to turn it off. Very easy to turn on and off and control the different modes whenever you want to. And now that you know exactly how to control it, let me show you how to use it. Now, the main things that this can help with, neck pain particularly, because the neck is also connected to the spine, it can help with back pain too. I get tension headaches a lot. That's another thing. Those are kind of the 3 main things. For me in particular, honestly, my neck is kind of hurting right now, so I'm excited to use this. So I've got it positioned just right, and you can see it with our remote that we can go through those different modes. So for example, I could go to heat, turn it all the way up to 3 using the plus and minus, and that heat comes through on the nodes. Now, very important that you've got it positioned here under your neck. I've got the heat on, but let me also come to vibration, and I also just turned the pulse up to 1, so the EMS. And now it's going to automatically shut off in 15 minutes, just 15 minutes of this, and my neck and just everything should be feeling amazing. Already I can tell you, like, I can feel the stretching effects. That heat is super nice. The vibration, the EMS, it all works together very, very well. Seriously, I could definitely fall asleep like this. It's quite comfortable. And already those 15 minutes are up, the device is off, and it feels like it seriously just breathed new life into my neck. Like, it was feeling kind of sore before, but wow, it like the stretching, the heating, the EMS, vibration really took everything to a whole new level. 100% this is going to be a part of just my day-to-day life because my neck seems to be the thing that I have the most issues with, and occasionally I get headaches. So just 15 minutes on this, and that is an amazing 15 minutes. Those therapeutic effects, incredible. Feels amazing. I feel great afterward too. It's an excellent way to start my day, finish my day. So I think that about sums it up. 100% check out this neck massager from Hugterra. Super easy to control, a great design, and basically does everything that you would want it to do. You don't need to go out and get any fancy services that are just gonna run you up a ton every single week when you could just get this one device and be set like for life. So give it a try. Link is in the description. Hope you love this just as much as I do.